to get relieved of all the worries which you have. And it's a very peaceful place and it's very beautiful as well.
ज़रूरत की जितनी चीज़ें हैं वो सारी शॉपिंग कॉम्प्लेक्सेस हैं, हर एक बुनियादी चीज़ें सारी हैं यहाँ पे.
You don't need to go out anywhere for anything. You have all the facilities available in the township.
I am blessed to be working in an organization which is a Maharatna in itself, as well as to stay in close with the nature.
सिटी लाइफ में बहुत पोल्यूशन, ट्रैफिक एंड बहुत ज़्यादा क्राउड होता है. यहाँ पे मुझे काफ़ी पीसफुल लगता है.
Despite of being in a very remote location, our township has all the facilities that you could expect from a very modern city, metro city.
हर फैमिली के लिए सुविधा वो यहाँ पे बना हुआ.
टाउनशिप में हम लोग खुशहाल और स्वस्थ जीवन जीते हैं.
A time of life when your parents have retired, every member of your family is dependent on you. With these all facilities and a very good medical policy, you feel very, very secure.
Today, NTPC, a Maharatna company, is not just India's largest power company leading the sector, but also a multi-dimensional company with presence in most segments of power generation, from coal, gas, hydro, solar PV, wind and coal mining. NTPC roots were planted way back in 1975 to accelerate power development in India. Built on the foundations of its strong managerial skills, ably complemented by its top-of-the-line infrastructural facilities. Today, it has a total installed capacity of over 50,000 megawatt. By 2032, non-fossil fuel-based generation capacity shall make nearly 30% of NTPC's portfolio. To strengthen its core business, the company has ventured into coal mining and provides consultancy services to the power sector. NTPC subscribes to the belief that efficiency, effectiveness and success of the organization depends largely on the skills, abilities and commitment of the employees, who are the most important assets of the company. NTPC has been constantly ranked as a preferred employer and among the best companies to work for in India by the Great Places to Work Institute India chapter in collaboration with the Economic Times. The company believes in equipping its human resources with newer competencies to guide them forward and add efficiency to their performance. To meet the ultimate objective of becoming the learning organization, an integrated knowledge management system has been developed, which facilitates tacit knowledge in the form of learning and experiences of employees, which we captured and recognized for future reference. NTPC is committed to providing the best available work life for its employees. Apart from ensuring safe and aesthetically pleasing workplaces, it provides comfortable accommodation at NTPC townships. These are far removed from the buzz of cities and an epitome of serenity, natural beauty and close community living. NTPC townships are like mini India, all reaffirming the bond, link, synergy, pride and collective unity amidst diversity. This togetherness sets the NTPC townships apart through the alchemy of welfare activities.
जितनी फैसिलिटीज़ एक सिटी के अंदर होती हैं वो सारी फैसिलिटीज़ भी हमें प्रोवाइड की गई हैं।
NTPC ने हमारे रहने के लिए हर प्रोजेक्ट में मनोरम टाउनशिप्स का निर्माण किया है।
The important constituents of the townships are the housing is designed to offer employees both comfort and convenience, providing employees new paradigms in clean, healthy and happy living. A medical hospital is present in the township that provides medical facility to both employees and to people nearby. It is free of cost to the employees and dependents and heavily subsidized for other people as part of CSR. A bank branch is present within the township and generally all the salary accounts of the employees is handled by them.
एटीएम यहाँ पे 6 बैंक का एटीएम खुला हुआ है, 4 बैंक है यहाँ पे।
School, providing the best of child education to its employees, is one of the top priorities at NTPC. The schools here provide excellent academic, extracurricular and recreational activities. Well-equipped labs and best-of-library facilities inspire students to reach praiseworthy heights in a competitive world. Many of its students have been successful in getting admission into prestigious institutions.
And I feel very proud to say that I've been able to get my children educated well. My elder daughter is pursuing MBBS in a government medical college.
The marketplace at Township has a minimum of 1 or more store of each type. This is ensured during planning phase and to ensure a well-rounded service to the resident. A minimum of 2 guest houses are available at the township.
The township has all the basic amenities for a comfortable living, and I am eagerly looking forward to move into it.
There are generally 2 clubs. Each are identical and have a community hall, badminton court, table tennis, library and a canteen or a restaurant.
यहाँ पे खेलने के लिए बहुत सारा फैसिलिटीज़ है, जैसे प्लेग्राउंड है और जिम हुआ और बहुत सारे बैडमिंटन कोर्ट वगैरह है।
Bus service from township plant, nearby city or railway station is available at regular intervals, generally during the end of the shifts. NTPC actively propagates a variety of games, regular yoga and meditation classes and spiritual lectures. All projects have a stadium that is used for various sporting events and functions. A gymnasium and yoga room are also part of the township that is accessible to all. This is a must for NTPC Township and is open to all the township residents for a low annual fee.
हम सभी को एक स्विमिंग पूल की फैसिलिटी दी गई है जो कि 110% फंक्शनिंग है।
An open or closed auditorium is available at most sites for plays and theatre for popular movie shows.
New movies are shown every Friday or Saturday to the people of the township so that they feel that they are not class apart from the people living in the cities.
The latest movie which are shown in Sujata Auditorium, we watched Bahubali the day it was released.
The Ladies Club at every township is a very important component of the welfare activities. They have innovative programs to enrich the social fabric of the township through centers for tailoring, embroidery, knitting, cooking and interior decoration.
You can always see constant improvements happening, and with special focus on environmental sustainability and development. You could see, you also find wastewater management, garbage disposal facilities always happening here.
NTPC conducts employee satisfaction and organizational climate surveys to seek employee feedback and ensure that the human resource interventions and practices remain relevant and meaningful. NTPC actively encourages a culture of mutual respect and trust amongst peers, superiors and subordinates. Competence building, commitment building, culture building and systems building are the 4 pillars on which our HR systems are based. At NTPC, it begins and ends with people. They are a company's greatest asset, the competitive advantage. Every effort is to provide them with encouragement, stimulus and making them feel that they are an integral part of the company's mission. The company is deeply passionate about ensuring the holistic development of all its employees as distinct individuals and good citizens. NTPC, a great place for great people to do great work.